for?
Rocket!
Well,
Okay, now lock onto your vehicles.
We'll be right behind you.
nothing to worry about.
Unless we cannot stop this unusually large man, then you are likely doomed.
Drax!
It was useless to follow me. What is that noise?
Noise? No one's gonna stop rock and roll from existing.
What have we done?
I think we jumped back. All the way back.
All the way? To the Big Bang?
95% certain.
Which means there's a 5% chance we're just in a tunnel.
We gotta get that generator. It's the only way back.
It's about time. Have you not been paying attention? Link your star blasters. We have them contained, but not for long.
Locking coordinates for Epcot.
It's Epcot. Remind me to raise our rate.
One way.